Okay. So once you've set up your shadow calendar, then it's time to complete this transition. And one of the biggest pieces is I've built this ideal day, but you've already got stuff scheduled out. I know, for instance, that Steph's booked out for the next 3 weeks already on her schedule. So what I often hear is, how the hell am I ever going to move everything around to match my new ideal days? The way you're going to do this is to remind yourself that this is not an overnight transition, that this is going to take about a month for everything to sort of even out, especially as you are getting used to scheduling within your new structure. So keep it on in the background, make changes as you go. If you feel like it's appropriate or you're comfortable doing it, you can ask people, clients, other colleagues, if they'd be willing to move a meeting that's already been scheduled to another day to accommodate your new structure. But it's okay if it takes about a month. And that way it's just going to give you some space to make the transition, but also get used to like keeping an eye on how you want your calendar to look moving forward. So move things as you go, ease into this. As you ease into this, it will happen. And then honestly, the quickest thing that's going to make this transition is update your booking links. So once you've created your shadow calendar, go into your booking system, whatever it is you use. I use TidyCal, you probably use Calendly or Acuity or Book Like a Boss, all of those things, any of the ones that you use to create booking links. And if you do it in Google, even better. Then match all of those booking links to your updated ideal schedule. So make sure that you're not giving people open-ended availability to your schedule so that you're not suddenly getting people booking on a Friday when you don't want to take meetings. Make sure that those blocks that you make available on those booking links match your ideal time blocks on your calendar. This will quickly force anyone who wants time with you to book within your boundaries, which will then help you get on track faster. And then it's more about what's already on your calendar being transitioned and easing people who are on a recurrence. Like I have a client who I see, we have a standing meeting every week that's scheduled. So we both have it all the time. So if I was going to update my shadow calendar and it was going to change where she was on the schedule, I would ask her at our next call if we could move our recurring meeting to another day of the week or to a different time. But in the meantime, the fastest way to take back control is to limit and restructure your booking links to match your ideal day. And that way, moving forward, anybody who's booking with you from the date you make that update forward is going to match that ideal time block structure.